What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how much I paid for an old tractor, an old Case Magnum 240 2008. So I bought this tractor basically to hog grain and to do some heavy work, but basic stuff. So the tractor is a 2008 8.3 liter Cummins engine, Firestone tires in the front, my Callan in the back. They're not brand new, but they're doing great. Sorry, the tractor's a little dirty, but I just finished it harvesting, and that's it. It's not a brand new tractor, but it's doing fine. Just doing the job.
Yeah. The dust is settling, the sun's setting low. Riding that highway, now it's time to go. Boots on the ground, hear the freedom ring. Got my hat pulled down, hear the crickets sing. Been out chasing dreams, a wild rodeo. From city lights to stars where the good times flow. But every mile I traveled, it was you on my mind. Now I'm back in the saddle, leaving trouble behind. I'm a cowboy coming home, hear the engines roar. Got the whole town waiting, knocking down.
So I paid 260,000 reais in this tractor. Dollars is $50,000. So it's a 2008. So I don't know. Here it's not that expensive, but I don't know in your country that you are watching. Tell me, what do you think? To buy a brand new tractor here with 200 or 240 horsepower, you're going to pay like 800,000 reais or 1 million. You know, almost $200,000. $200,000 for a 200 horsepower tractor. So, and if you are going to finance it, you are going to pay like from 10 to 14% on interest every year. So things are not easy the last couple years. So things are not easy here in Brazil the last couple years or more. Fertilizers are expensive, the diesel is expensive, and everything is expensive. And the soybeans, they're not worth the same they were worth it like 4 years ago. So we're surviving until the next big move. So what do you guys think? Is it cheap, expensive, or just a regular price? The price is it. What do you think? Comment below.
Every tear just feels so right. Now I'm back where I belong, with my feet on the ground.